Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm very excited to share with you guys this update. Okay, so you guys have probably seen a lot of videos trending online, a lot of AI videos, but you are wondering, how do people actually create it? You are wondering, how can you be able to start creating it? Wonder no more, because on this video I have decided to share with you guys the exact step-by-step guide on how you can be able to start creating this type of video starting today, immediately after you finish watching this video. But guess what? That is not even the interesting part. The interesting part is that you are going to be the one to create this app that you are going to use to create this unlimited AI video by yourself. It is very simple and straightforward. You are wondering why you have not known this by now. That is because people actually pay to get this type of information. But guess what? I'm going to be giving it to you guys completely free. I actually paid to get it, but I'm giving it to you guys completely free of charge. Okay, so right now, without wasting time, I don't want to bore you up, guys. Before we start the video properly, remember this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Do not misuse any information that you might get from it. It is solely for educational purpose. And remember, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It means the whole world to me. And if you like this video, give this video a like, share it so that people out there will also get to learn about this new update that I'm sharing with you guys completely free of charge. Like I said, I don't want to bore you up with a lot of talk. I'm going to be diving straight right now to show you how you can be able to start creating this type of video completely free of charge. No money is required, no qualification is required, no eligibility, nothing. You just need to have your phone. If you have your phone, you can be able to do what I'm about to show you right now. Okay, so right now let's start. You need to go to your favorite browser, whichever browser you are using. I'm going to be using Chrome browser. I will select my Chrome browser like this. Now I need to head to this website. I will type it right here, opal.google. You can see it right here. This is opal.google right here. Click on it. Now once you click on it, they are going to be asking you to actually sign up. You can use your Google account to sign up. It is totally free, and this platform is owned by Google itself, produced by Google Labs, so that people can test out the application. They also use it for testing and all that. But let me not bore you up with all those story. Let's head to learn how we can be able to create an app. First thing, you are creating an app before you can be able to start using that app to create unlimited AI video completely free of charge. Okay, so right now, without wasting time, go ahead and click on create new account. Once you are done signing up your own account, you can see build, edit and share many AI apps using natural language. So right now I will click on create new. Right now, clicking on create new, they are going to be asking you what you want to build, and they want to help you with it. Now, to be able to build an app that will be able to help you turn any image to video, that will be able to help you create unlimited AI video without any restriction, this is what you need to do. Go ahead right now to the link. Sorry, I have to pick this up. Go ahead right now to the link on the video description box. The link is going to be taking you to Telegram, and once you get to Telegram, you can pick this prompt that I'm about to pick right here from my WhatsApp. So this is the prompt. I will press it to copy it. Okay, once I've copied this prompt, I need to come back right here to paste it. Remember, check the comment section of the video description to the link to where you can be able to get this prompt. Okay, now once you paste the prompt, you need to change one thing right here, which is the name. You need to change the name. Okay, in this case, I will clear this up right here. Then I have to input let me just say mechanic AI, or I can just name it anything you want. Once you name it whatever you want, just go ahead right now to click on this send button. Now they are creating your app, and in just a couple of seconds your app is going to be ready for use. Guess what? You can create this app and share it with your friends, and they can, maybe, who knows, they can pay you for that. Nobody knows how they want to reward you with that. But remember, you are creating this app right now, and immediately the app is ready. As you can see it right here, the app is ready, just as you can see on your screen. So right now you can see source image, motion description, generate animated video, display web interface. Very easy. Remember, I'm also going to be showing you how you can be able to download this image into your device. I've never seen anything as amazing as this since the beginning of this month. Okay, so right now guys, go ahead to switch to app right now. This is the editor. Switch to app. I will click on it. Now I am on the app right now. Now you can now literally create any type of AI video that you want using this app. Okay, so literally go ahead right now and click on start. You can see this is the name, Mechanic AI. Very interesting. Now you click on start right now. Once I click on start, I need to put an image. Now you can use any image of your choice to create any video you want, but I've generated an image right here using my ChatGPT. I'll just go ahead to download this image that I have already downloaded. I need to download this image because I want to use it for this example. So I will go ahead right now, coming over here, I will click on this plus sign. Once I click on the plus sign, I will click on upload from device. Now when I click on upload from device, I need to select the image. This is the image right here. I will select it, then I will click on done. Now the image has been inserted into the system right now. This is the app you created by yourself, right? So go ahead right now and click on this button right here. Once you click on it, they are going to be asking you what do you want the image to do. You can describe what you want. For example, I will write something like this. Okay, make the woman, okay, to approach the camera and say I put semicolon or colon, whatever, and then I put quotation mark and say thank you for watching our video. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe so that you won't miss any new updates. Okay, I will end it with the same quotation mark. Now this is what I want the woman to do on the video. You can use a more professional prompt. For example, you can generate prompts using ChatGPT or any AI model that you want, but this is just for testing. For example, I don't want the video to be very long, so I will click on this right now. They are now generating our video. You are going to be surprised to see the results that I'm going to get right here. You remember what we have just done right now? We have first of all created an app using the prompts which I've already told you guys where to get. Check the video description or the comment section of this video to get the source to the prompt that you used to create this app that I just created right now. Remember, you need to go to opal.google. Be careful so that you won't go to the wrong website. Go to opal.google, all right, to create the app. And once you create the app, upload any image you want and tell the AI that you just created what you want the image to do. Now you can see it's currently generating our animated video. Sometimes after counting up, it will just start afresh and count, so you need to be very patient with this. Okay, so you can see right now it's generating right now. It is not done. You can see it just started afresh. Okay, now let's just allow it to count completely. Okay, I may pause the video. If it's taking too much time, I will pause the video, but most of the time it doesn't take more than 5 minutes. If it fails, do it again. Okay, so I guess here we are finally. This is our video right here. Let's see what we have. Okay, I will scroll down. This is our video. Okay, this is our prompt. I will go ahead right now and click on play.
Thank you for watching our video today, and please subscribe so that you won't miss any new update.
Perfect. Very, very clear and neat, guys. This is mind-blowing. Now let me teach you how you can be able to download the video before I will end the video. Simply do not forget about this button right here. Just simply click on the video. Once you click on the video, you can see this button right here, download video, and in that way your video is going to be downloaded for you. You can see it right now. It has downloaded. I will open it up right now. If I go to my gallery, it is right there. Let's allow it to play. I will click on it.
Thank you for watching our video today, and please subscribe so that you won't miss any new update.
Now you see it, right? It's amazing, absolutely mind-blowing. All right, so I'm going to be stopping the video right here. If you have any question regarding this, let me know on the comment section, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe. I actually paid to learn this right now. I just give it to you totally free because I love you guys. All right, so thanks so much for watching the video, guys. I'll be speaking to you on the next video that I'll be sharing very, very soon.